Hey guys, welcome to Whiteland Restorations. Looks like it's maintenance day for me. Behind this wheel there are a bunch of components we're going to swap out today. But first, let's get this van up in the air. Hey Maddie, looks like we got a nice nugget of a caddy to fix here. We will be fitting new track rod ends, new control arms and all the anti-roll bar linkages on the car today, because the thing is rattly as hell. So I figure, change it all. I better get these wheels off first away, guys. So I figured we'd start with the anti-roll bar links, which run from there up and attach to the shock there. So let's see how easy these come off. She's coming up. It's a good sign. Well, that one was easy, so let's move on up to the next one, see if we get similar luck in that spot. Hold on, it's a bit dark. In that spot there. Now I know it looks like I've already had a go, but I've just tried to sock it on. So fortunately I think I can get the old rattle gun in there. Let's try that. Clear the crap out of threads, it might go in. You know what I'm saying? Which is all clean now. Let's see if we can't use the impact gun and get it off. That would be a no. So I'm going to have to get an Allen key in the end and a spanner on it. Oh no. Rounding. Rubbish. It's not going well, guys. It's the first or second bolt and it's already giving a load of problems, and it's a real awkward place to get at it as well. Right, so I've got some long nose mole grips firmly clamped to the back of it. Let's see if we can't persuade it off. Oh, there we go. Let's see if that's got it. Wind it in a bit. Just does not want to come out, guys. Nope. So we are very stuck. I have tried all sorts of clamps and things to clamp on the other side. What I have done is remove this rubber bush to give me a better purchase on the metal bit on the other side. So I'm going to clamp these on the other side as tight as possible, and I'm going to heat that up, and hopefully it'll come free, because it's very stuck. I know these aren't the most ideal mole grips, but they're the only ones that fit in the hole. Just got a hold of that, give it some heat. I'm going to be gentle with a spanner rather than, come on. Oh, it's moving. Oh, she's moving. I think we got it. Still very tight. I'm going to try the old rattle gun, see if that'll whiz it off faster. Oh yeah. Oh, little bugger. Right, here's a comparison between the old anti-roll bar link, the old anti-roll bar link. Look at how floppy it is. And the new one is nice and tight. Oh, much better. So I'm going to bang these in and throw these in the bin. Right, so we're going to make sure we grease up our new components thoroughly. So next time we have to do this, it won't be such a pain in the arse. There we go. Let's get that out of there. That was nice and tight. Let's double. Yeah. Good FT. Next one. So it turns out the front drop links were completely trashed. Let's go to the rear, keep this momentum up and fix them up. So hopefully we'll have no issues like we had at the front. So, first things. These feel pretty loose as well, you know. Let's make sure we drive in this all the way. There we go. I may as well do the other side whilst I'm under here. Next connection's up here. This is going to be a little bit more tricky. Hopefully we can get some tools up in there and crack them off. First job, obviously, wire brush off all the shit. Well, that's completely round, so you must have to unbolt it from this side. Looks like a pain in the butt, doesn't it? Why would you do that to people? Volkswagen. What size thingy is that? I have an 18 with me. It is indeed an 18. I've got a feeling this one's going to be difficult. Go on there, you little bugger. Oh, ow! Just give it some heat. Next to the diesel tank. What could possibly go wrong? Sometimes you don't need a lot of heat, just a little bit, just enough to get it going. I don't want to put too much heat in it anyway, because it's right next to the old tank, although it is a diesel. Oh, she's moving. Yes. Right, now's the time for a bit more lube. Don't know how you're supposed to get that bolt out though, with the spanner on. Do you know? drop the tank. It's just going to be awkward as hell, isn't it? Why would you do it that way round? Why wouldn't you put the captive on the other side? Because the chassis leg's in the way. Why wouldn't you make a nut and bolt? Makes more sense, doesn't it? Get this one out the way. Need some more room to play with, eh? That's much better like that. Not that you can see anything. Ooh. Damn. Damn, son. Oh, that's trashed. Yeah, that's completely wobbly. Again, guys, look. This is how stiff the new one is. Barely be able to move it. This one's completely wibbly wobbly. And yeah, so they were trashed, both sides. Good job of replacing them. Let's get the new ones in. Plenty of grease up for this one because it was quite a difficult one to get at. So I reckon let's make it easier next time, because I'm not sure how long these cheaper things are going to last. Plenty of grease on the bolts. There's my bolt. There's my grease. Loads of it on there. Slap it up. Lavish it. He loves it. Get this sucker up into there. Well, that was easy. Bolt might not be so easy. That looks all good as hell. There's just everything in the bloody way. And everything's dirty and disgusting. Oh, we're in. Can I get this little ratchet spanner on there? Don't get on that way. Go on. I'm not going to nip that up completely just of yet, not until it's attached to the anti-roll bar part, so I can still adjust it if I need to. Well, it seems to be moving alright by itself. Let's do the other side. Right, we've got them all nipped up there. Well, not nipped, just in place. So let's just put this back into there. Let's see if I can zoom out a bit. There we go. One-handed. Look at this. I can't do it. I didn't grease it. Nice. Uggad duggad. Big spanner, nip up the top bolts, and we are done at the back end. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. There's the big spanner, there it is. Get on there. Oh, that's the wrong way. That's the wrong way. Sorted. This clips back into there. Good, that is it. Let me show you. There you go. Lovely new anti-roll bar link both sides.